Hi guys, let's make Mooli Paratha. So I have heated the pan and poured oil. The oil is hot. Now let's add the grated radish. Let's add salt. And turmeric powder. And I'm going to add green chilies. So keep it in a high flame and saute it. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala powder. Just 1 spoon of garam masala powder. So just less than 5 minutes you need to saute, that's it. And I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm going to add cilantro. See? So this has to cool down nicely. Completely it has to cool down. Then you can start making the Mooli paratha. Take the dough. And you keep the filling inside. Let's roll it. The more filling you keep inside, it's going to taste good. And take off this excess. Now let's place it. Keep it in medium flame. Now let's flip it. Now pour little oil. Let's flip it. Flip it again and keep flipping it, and it should be nice and crispy. Looks good. That's it. It's done. You can turn it off. Now you can just add little butter on top. Just spread butter. Then you can serve it. Okay, so looks good, and let me taste it. You can eat Mooli paratha with yogurt. Very flavorful. Bye.